Eukaryotes are organisms that are made of eukaryotic cells. Animal and plant cells are eukaryotic cells. Many eukaryotes are complex organisms like humans, animals, and also plants. However, some eukaryotes are just single cells or unicellular. For the exam, you need to know that plant and animal cells are eukaryotic cells. So what do we mean by eukaryotic? What do eukaryotic cells look like? Eukaryotic cells are cells that have a nucleus. This is a very simple diagram of a eukaryotic cell. The big blue blob is the nucleus. Eukaryotic cells also have a cytoplasm, which is shown by this pale pink colour, and a cell membrane, this dark line that goes around the edge. What's the meaning of the word eukaryote? This is a nice memory device. You're not going to be tested on it, but it might help you remember the meaning of the word eukaryote. So this comes from the combination of two Greek words, eu, essentially meaning true or good, and karyote, meaning nucleus. Karyote is derived from the Greek word karyon, meaning nut. So what is the nucleus and why is it so important? The nucleus contains the genetic material of a cell. Genetic material is DNA packaged as chromosomes. The nucleus stores and protects the cell's genetic material. So the cell's genetic material is enclosed within the nucleus and separated from the rest of the cell. For the exam, you need to know that eukaryotic cells have a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and genetic material enclosed in a nucleus. Prokaryotes are simple, single-celled organisms. All bacterial cells are prokaryotic. Bacteria come in many shapes and sizes. There are spherical bacteria, rod-shaped bacteria, and bacteria that are curved. So what do we mean by this term prokaryotic? Prokaryotic cells are cells that do not have a nucleus and other internal membranes. This is a very basic prokaryotic cell. These are much smaller than eukaryotic cells such as animal and plant cells. So which came first, prokaryotic cells or eukaryotic cells? Prokaryotic cells have been around much longer than eukaryotic cells. Bacteria actually evolved before plant and animal cells did. Here's a nice memory device to help you remember the word prokaryote. You won't be tested on it. So the word prokaryotic comes from the combination of two Greek words and literally means before the nucleus. So eukaryotes have a nucleus, but prokaryotes, which have been around longer, don't have a nucleus. So if there's no nucleus, where's the genetic material stored in prokaryotic cells? The genetic material of prokaryotic cells is free in the cytoplasm. This genetic material comes in the form of a single DNA loop, shown by this green squiggly line, and also plasmids, which are these orange circles. Both of these carry the genetic information for prokaryotic cells. For your exam, you need to know that prokaryotic cells have cytoplasm and a cell membrane surrounded by a cell wall, and that the genetic material is not enclosed in a nucleus.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!